free radical as well as electrophilic addition reaction to alkene. Here propene react with BrCCl3, one product is obtained. Again propene react with BrCCl3 in presence of peroxide, different product is obtained. We will see what is it. And third question is addition of a BrCCl3 to propene in presence of peroxide gives 3-bromo 1,1,1 trichloro 2-methyl propane. Is it correct? True or false? It is false. We'll discuss later on, but it is false because the product will be 2-bromo 1,1,1 trichloro. Here butane. Okay, they are saying propane. No, it is butane. So it is a false statement. So answer is this. Now we'll go for the electrophilic substitution reaction first. So CCl3, here Br is one positive charge, CCl3 carry one negative charge. This addition will follow Markovnikov addition. In this case, Br will go to this less substituted carbon and CCl3 negative part go to the more substituted carbon. In this way we will get this product 3-bromo 2-methyl 1,1,1 trichloro-propane. Okay, the product which is given is wrong because they are saying peroxide. Without peroxide it is okay, but with peroxide different product will be obtained, not this. Without peroxide this will be obtained, so this is not the case, right? Now see in case 2, when peroxide is present, the same reagents are there. At that moment anti-Markovnikov addition will taking place, Kharash effect will be taking place, and CCl3 will go towards the less substituted carbon and Br go to the more substituted carbon, and will get 2-bromo 1,1,1 trichlorobutane. In peroxide we'll get butane. Okay, trichlorobutane. And the benzoyl peroxide, first we'll get this ion, then CO2 liberated, then we'll get phenyl ion attack to BrCCl3, then we'll get CCl3 free radical. This CCl3 free radical, this is trichloromethyl free radical. It attacks to this and attacks to this carbon, and it is, I told you that it is according to anti-Markovnikov addition, so it will go to the less substituted carbon. So we'll get this new free radical, and then this react with BrCCl3 and we'll get this product. Same product here, but I have given you reaction mechanism. This is reaction mechanism. Okay, how do we get this 3-bromo 1, 2, 3, 3-bromo trichlorobutane? Okay, IUPAC naming I have given you. Please subscribe my channel if you like my video. Way of teaching also. See, here I have given you main product. Here I have given you how do we get it. Write on each and every step and you will find out that it is anti-Markovnikov addition. CCl3 go to less substituted carbon.